And guys, so our kitchen sink is clogged. Let's see if the YouTube videos that they're telling is working. Baking soda. Yep.
Kadumpay ko man. Kadumpay. Basta.
And vinegar.
Uy, wag lahat.
Buksan natin. Sabi nila pag mag-volcano daw maganda. Bilo mo.
Kampay ah. Basta.
Let's see if it's gonna work.
Kampay masit. Basta.
Ito yung palit niya.
Hindi nga bumaba yung tubig.
Man, hintayin lang ba?
Yan mo na. Yan mo lang.
Hey, so how are you? So I'm Arfel and welcome back to my channel. So tonight my landlord saved $100 of dollars because our kitchen sink is clogged, and yeah, but as of the moment it's not working. I'm sorry I don't have the video for that, but I just did it DIY with just some tools in our house. So for the baking soda and vinegar, maybe it's true, but for us it did not work. It just make the water flow not slow just before. Maybe it works if it's not too much plug in it yet, but now I'm gonna show you what I used so that you don't need to pay like so many $100 to the plumbers. So this is what I used. So I just bought it from Amazon and just put it on the pipe down there, and that's it. It's worked. So I'll just leave the link in the description so that if you want to do it yourself, you can do it. So now I'm gonna put this drain opener or cleaner. Maybe it will help. Subscribe for more, guys. Thank you. New skills unlocked.